We're gonna build my grandma's house again because they rented it to some people and they were dirty, they messed it up, so we're gonna fix it all up. My wife, babe. My two beautiful kids, Jaden, Sebas. And yeah, we're gonna knock down this wall. We're gonna knock down this wall, all this right here. We're gonna knock it all down. This is a sink, this is the kitchen. They messed it up, they're dirty people, nasty people. So this is the kitchen, the door, the kitchen. We're gonna knock down all this stuff. We started with the sink. We're gonna replace brand new sink, everything. We're gonna knock all that down. We're gonna get to it. This is the living room. Right here, the door, the windows there. This is my grandma's room. We're gonna fix this stuff. Right here, closet, all that. Sebas, hi papi. This is the bathroom. We're gonna break this thing down, this whole thing. We're gonna destroy all this stuff right here. And yeah, this is still good. We're gonna destroy all this. My grandpa wants to. We're gonna destroy the floor, put a new floor. And this is the other room. The windows, the closet right here, and the door. This is gonna be my cousin's room, so we're gonna fix the whole carpet. Like I said, the people that we rented to, or my grandpa rented to, they messed up the floor, so the floor is it's nasty, it's gross. So we're gonna fix all that. And then yeah, we're gonna do this the living room. Yeah, we're about to get to it. We already marked it down. We're gonna rip the wall down, we're gonna destroy it. And then yeah, we're gonna fix all the carpet. This is maybe disgusting. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Let you guys know how it all comes out. Peace. ahí vamos. Ahí vamos, papá. Oh my god. Welcome back. My YouTube channel. Dale, vecino. Dale, vecino, dale. To my YouTube channel, we're starting the process. We're done, baby.